Hey Laura, this is Maggie from Rock Paper Copy, and this is a tutorial on how to create this testimonial image on Canva. So Canva is canva.com and it's completely free to use. And if you go to the main dashboard, you will be able to create a custom design, which I recommend for this particular template. And the sizes you need is custom dimensions 1600 for the width, and for the height 600. So this way all the images as they slide will be the same height, will be the same width, and will be displayed the same way. So basically, once you put the dimensions, put create a design, and it will open a new tab, which is this one. So I opened the tutorial. Basically, the background is the color of your main navy blue color from the website. So the code is 020FRC. When you want to duplicate, you just click on this icon, so it will create. Obviously the text, so you use Montserrat on your website, so this is Montserrat normal, and it's Montserrat classic, which is slightly bolded out. And basically you can, even if you create one design, you can come back to it later on and change anything. So it doesn't mean that the designs are permanent. You can always come back to the design and change anything. So it's super easy to use Canva. I definitely recommend using it. If you want to change anything, you can just delete and obviously play with all of the possible options. We've got also different elements if you want to add, which is great. I really love using it. It's really fun to design images, illustrations, and so on. And obviously you can add text here and choose text, or if you add, obviously choose the font. You can change the font and so on. You can upload your own images, so you can use them later as well, and you can use obviously different templates. So yeah, it's definitely fun to play with this app. So I recommend definitely using it for this kind of website images. I hope you found it helpful. Thank you so much. Bye bye.